In this video, we'll take a look at BegEnd2List tool. This tool will convert BegDoc and EndDoc into a list of sequential Bates numbers. Let me show you how it works. We'll go to a BatchGuru batch, we'll click on Edit, and we'll see how we need to configure it. We'll give it a name so we can find it later. We'll specify a saved search of the documents we want to run this tool on, and then we'll specify what our BegDoc field and the EndDoc fields are. And those are the fields we will use to calculate our list. Then we're going to select a delimiter, which is a character we want to separate our Bates numbers with. And lastly, we're going to select a long text field where we want to write results to. So once we save it and run it, we can go back to saved search and see what the results look like. All right, looking at the saved search, we'll see our control number starts at 7907 and it adds 7912. And here in the BegEnd list, we see we have number 07, 08, 9, 10, 11, 12. So all the numbers between control number and the control number end are listed in this long text field. And same thing happens for the next document as well. Now the data looks a little funky here because I kind of made that up just to demonstrate how it works. But that's the idea behind this tool. It'll take the first number and the last number, and it will generate all the numbers in between. So now if you're looking for a page in the middle of a document, you can just use filter. So I'm going to copy this and then paste. And now I was able to find all the documents that contain specific Bates number in the middle. So what are the uses for this tool? Well, as you've seen, every page in a document became listed in the long text field, which allowed you to use filter to jump directly to a page. And often you get a page number that you need to print, redact, or do something else with, and you search for BegDoc, it's not there. Search for EndDoc, it's not there because the page is in the middle. So if you generate a field like that, which lists every page, you simply put the page number in, press enter, and there comes your document that you need to do something with. And of course, as you guessed it, this tool will not work well if there are gaps or suffixes. This tool simply does mathematical calculation. It takes the first number and the last, converts them to numbers, and then it just goes plus one, plus one, plus one until it reaches the last number. So it's not actually aware of the pages in between. So if you delete a page, it'll still get calculated as the end result. So if you have documents that were scanned and there were missing pages and they were suffixed and so on, this tool will not work well for you. But for most of the things that happen in lit support, this tool will work really well. That's BegEnd2List tool for BatchGuru. Thank you for watching.